are pleased to show you the 2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.